Values and data type part 2. Token, an individual component of a programming statement that carries some meanings and takes part in effective execution of a program is referred as token. Like in human body, cell is a fundamental and functional unit of a human body. Similarly, a token is also a functional and a fundamental unit of a computer program. The tokens are the smallest unit which forms a program to do a specific task. Various types of token. Various types of tokens are literals, identifier, punctuator, separator, operators, and keywords. Literals. Literals are also called as constant. The data item or the values which remain fixed or which do not change throughout the execution of the program is called as literals or constant. For example, 14, 24.6, A inside a single quote, computer inside double quote are the example of a literal. Classification of literals. Integer literals, real literals, character literals, string literals, Boolean literals, and null literals. Integer literals. Integer literals are the whole number which refer without decimal point. These are the whole number having both positive and the negative values. For example, 14, 345, minus 18, minus 391. Real literals. Real literals are also known as floating point literals. They refers to the numbers with decimal point. They are also having a positive or a negative values. For example, 24.6 minus 3.652 are the example of real literals. Literals. The constant which are alphanumeric in nature, that is all alphabet uppercase and lowercase, digits, special characters are termed as character literals. And these character literals are inside a single quote. So each character, any of the character, it may be uppercase, alphabet in uppercase or lowercase, digit or a special character. So this character should be represent inside a single quote. For example, A inside a capital A inside a single quote, D, small letter D inside a single quote, 3 inside a single quote, asterisk inside a single quote are the example of a character literal. String literals. String literals is a set of alphanumeric character. A group of characters enclosed within a pair of opening and closing double quote is known as the string literals. So string literals are the group of character inside a double quote. For example, computer inside a double quote, year 2020 inside a double quote, 10% per annum inside a double quote. These are the example of a string literals. Boolean literals. Boolean constant are the special literals. They represent true or false and can be used in a Java program to check whether the given logic condition is satisfied or not. These Boolean constants are written as true and false, and we never write this true and false inside a double quote or a single quote. Literals. Null literal is another type of special purpose literals. It is represented by \0 inside a single quote. It is used in Java program as a string terminator to mark the end of the string. In the next video of values and the data type part 3, we'll learn about variables.